Want to turn your passion into a profitable business? In this video, we'll show you machines that can help you create and sell unique products. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss the last one. All links are in the description below. Digital t-shirt folding and packing machine. A digital t-shirt folding and packing machine is an automated device designed to streamline the process of folding and packaging t-shirts efficiently. This machine uses advanced programming to fold shirts uniformly and neatly, saving time and ensuring consistent results. Many models also include packaging features, such as sealing shirts in plastic bags or stacking them for shipment, making it ideal for clothing manufacturers, print shops, or online apparel businesses. The machine is easy to operate and can handle various t-shirt sizes, providing a significant boost in productivity while reducing labor costs. Prices for digital t-shirt folding and packing machines typically range from $5,000 to $30,000. Depending on capacity, automation level, and additional features. This is a perfect investment for businesses looking to scale operations and improve efficiency. These machines can be purchased from industrial equipment suppliers or online platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or specialized retail packaging vendors. Mini Chocolate 3D Printer. A mini chocolate 3D printer is a compact device that allows you to create intricate, edible chocolate designs by using 3D printing technology. It melts chocolate and extrudes it layer by layer to craft custom shapes, patterns, or decorations for cakes, desserts, and unique confectionery items. Perfect for home bakers, small businesses, or event planners, this printer brings precision and creativity to chocolate design, making it easy to personalize treats for special occasions. The Mini Chocolate 3D printer is user-friendly and ideal for producing anything from decorative toppers to complex sculptures, adding a touch of luxury and customization to your creations. Prices for these printers typically range from $500 to $5,000, depending on features, print size, and resolution. It's a fantastic investment for entrepreneurs looking to innovate in the dessert or gifting industry. You can find Mini Chocolate 3D printers on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or from specialized confectionery equipment suppliers. Automated Candle Carving Machine. An automated candle carving machine is a specialized device designed to create intricate, decorative patterns on candles with precision and speed. This machine automates the carving process, allowing users to produce beautifully detailed designs that would otherwise require significant skill and time if done by hand. It's perfect for businesses in the candle making industry, enabling the creation of unique, artisanal candles for events, home decor, or gifts. The machine is easy to operate, accommodates various candle sizes, and ensures consistent quality in each piece. Prices for automated candle carving machines typically range from $5,000 to $20,000. Depending on the complexity of the designs it can produce and its production capacity. This is an excellent investment for entrepreneurs looking to add value to their candle products with stunning custom designs. These machines can be purchased from specialized candle-making equipment suppliers or online platforms such as Alibaba or Amazon. Desktop Water Jet Cutter. A desktop water jet cutter is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision cutting across a wide range of materials, including metal, glass, stone, plastic, and composites. Using high-pressure water mixed with abrasive particles, this machine delivers clean, distortion-free cuts without generating heat, ensuring the integrity of your material. Ideal for small workshops, hobbyists, or businesses, it offers industrial-grade capabilities in a space-efficient design. This versatile tool is perfect for tasks such as crafting intricate jewelry, creating custom stone tiles for home decor, or cutting prototypes for innovative designs. With cutting accuracy up to plus 0.1 mm and the ability to handle materials up to 25 mm thick, it combines precision with reliability. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to use, whether you're an experienced professional or a beginner. Prices range from $5,000 to $15,000, depending on features like cutting speed and bed size. Durable and low maintenance, this machine is a smart investment for anyone looking to expand their creative or industrial capabilities. Available through specialized retailers and online platforms like Amazon or Alibaba, the desktop water jet cutter is an essential addition for anyone seeking high-quality cutting solutions in a compact format. Leather Embossing Machine. A leather embossing machine is a versatile tool designed to create detailed patterns, logos, and textures on various leather products with precision and ease. Ideal for small businesses, hobbyists, or artisans, this machine adds a professional touch to items such as wallets, belts, handbags, and notebooks. By using heat and pressure, it imprints designs deeply and permanently onto leather, elevating the aesthetic appeal and value of finished goods. With adjustable temperature and pressure settings, it accommodates a wide range of leather types and thicknesses, ensuring consistent and high-quality results every time. The compact size and user-friendly controls make it perfect for small workshops or home studios, while its robust construction guarantees durability and reliability. Whether you're personalizing leather products for clients or crafting unique handmade pieces, this machine delivers unmatched precision and customization. Priced between $300 and $2,000 depending on size, power, and features, it's an affordable investment for those in the leatherworking industry. Leather embossing machines can be purchased from specialized equipment suppliers or online platforms like Amazon or Alibaba, making it easier than ever to bring professional-grade embossing to your creations. Portable automatic bag sealer. A portable automatic bag sealer is a compact and efficient tool designed for sealing various types of bags, including plastic, foil, and mylar, making it an essential device for preserving food, packaging products, or organizing items. This machine uses heat to create airtight seals, ensuring the contents remain fresh and secure. Its lightweight and portable design make it ideal for home kitchens, small businesses, or on-the-go use, while the automatic sealing function provides consistent results with minimal effort. Adjustable temperature settings allow it to handle different bag thicknesses, making it versatile for sealing snacks, frozen foods, or even non-food items like small tools or electronics. Easy to operate and maintain, it's perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and time-saving solution for packaging needs. Priced between $20 and $200 depending on features and build quality, this device is an affordable option for improving efficiency at home or in a business setting. Portable automatic bag sealers are widely available through online retailers such as Amazon or local equipment stores, making it easy to streamline your sealing process. Natural fiber weaving machine. A natural fiber weaving machine is a specialized tool designed for crafting textiles using natural fibers such as cotton, wool, linen, or bamboo. This machine is perfect for artisans, small businesses, or eco-conscious creators looking to produce high-quality fabrics, rugs, or decorative items sustainably. With precise weaving mechanisms and adjustable settings, it can accommodate various patterns, thicknesses, and fabric densities, making it versatile for diverse projects. Compact and user-friendly, it fits easily into small workshops or home studios, while its durable construction ensures reliable performance over time. The ability to work with natural fibers not only supports environmentally friendly practices, but also meets the growing demand for sustainable handmade goods. Prices for natural fiber weaving machines typically range from $1,000 to $5,000, depending on size, functionality, and features. These machines are available through specialized textile equipment retailers and online platforms like Amazon, allowing creators to bring their weaving projects to life with professional-grade tools. A Seedling transplanter machine is an innovative tool designed to streamline the planting process, making it faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. Ideal for farmers, gardening enthusiasts, or agricultural businesses, this machine is capable of transplanting seedlings such as vegetables, flowers, or tobacco into the soil with precision and care. Using adjustable spacing and depth settings, it ensures uniform planting, promoting healthy growth and maximizing yields. Compact and easy to operate, the Seedling transplanter reduces manual labor significantly, saving time and effort on large-scale planting tasks. With options ranging from manual to fully automatic models, it caters to different scales of operations and budgets. Durable construction and user-friendly design make it reliable for both small farms and commercial agricultural ventures. Priced between $500 and $5,000 depending on features like automation, row capacity, and build quality, this machine is an excellent investment for those seeking to optimize planting efficiency. Widely available through agricultural equipment suppliers and online platforms such as Amazon and Alibaba, a Seedling transplanter machine is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their planting operations while ensuring consistent professional results. Portable solar-powered freezer. A portable solar-powered freezer is a versatile and eco-friendly solution for keeping food, beverages, or medical supplies cold in any location. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, or off-grid living, this freezer operates efficiently using solar energy, eliminating the need for traditional power sources. With advanced insulation and energy-efficient compressors, it maintains precise temperatures, even in extreme heat, ensuring optimal performance. Lightweight and compact, this freezer is easy to transport, making it ideal for camping trips, road travel, or remote job sites. Many models come with features like adjustable temperature controls, USB charging ports, and compatibility with standard solar panels, enhancing convenience and functionality. It can operate as both a freezer and refrigerator, accommodating diverse storage needs. Prices for portable solar-powered freezers typically range from $300 to $2,500, depending on capacity, battery life, and additional features. Durable and low maintenance, it's a cost-effective investment for sustainable cooling solutions. These freezers are available through outdoor retailers, solar equipment suppliers, and online platforms like Amazon, providing a reliable and environmentally friendly way to keep items chilled wherever you go. Multi-purpose snack vending machine. A multi-purpose snack vending machine is a versatile and modern solution for businesses, schools, gyms, or public spaces looking to provide a convenient snacking experience. Designed to accommodate a variety of snacks and beverages, this machine can hold items like chips, candy, bottled drinks, and even healthier options like granola bars or fresh juices. With customizable shelves and temperature settings, it ensures that both perishable and non-perishable products are stored and dispensed in optimal conditions. Equipped with advanced features such as touchscreens, cashless payment options, and inventory monitoring systems, it offers a seamless user experience while simplifying management for operators. Energy-efficient technology and durable construction make it a reliable choice for high-traffic locations. Its sleek, compact design ensures it fits well in diverse environments, from office break rooms to busy shopping centers. Priced between $2,000 and $10,000 depending on size, capacity, and technological features, this vending machine is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a profitable and low-maintenance business venture. Widely available through vending machine suppliers and online marketplaces like Amazon or Alibaba, it provides an easy way to cater to modern snacking demands. Thanks for watching. All the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start your next venture today.